Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to teach you guys how to produce a very lovely and wonderful face and body scrub at home. Over here are my ingredients we'll be using for this project. That is my sugar, this is my oatmeal. I'm making use of 225 grams of oatmeal. Then this is my fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice, any fragrance that is appealing to your scent, you use it. Then we'll be using sunflower oil. Like I said before, sunflower oil is a very beautiful oil to use. It doesn't clog the skin pores, it doesn't lead to breakout. Then this is our honey. We'll be using honey. Is a very good exfoliant. It's good to make your skin looking bright and smooth. We'll be using pink color. Pink color, you're using oil soluble because we don't want to add any form of water in our scrub, so we're making use of an oil soluble color that dissolves in oil. So we'll just go straight into the production process. You can sit back, watch. If you want to learn this, just watch this video to the end. Follow every formulation step I'll be using. So this is the oil I'll be using. I'm pouring my oil directly into my oatmeal and sugar. Now this is the concept here. The oil doesn't really have a specific measurement. What you are aiming for is that you want this thing to turn into a paste. So you just pour your oil. When it is pasty like this, you are good to go. That is how scrubs are made. It's about your sugar turning to a paste, your sugar and your oatmeal turning to what? A paste. That is how scrub is. Now over here is the color. We are making use of an oil soluble color. That is why I use some part of the oil to dissolve the color. We don't want to add any water in this our production. We don't want any water. If we add water or anything that is liquid, it will require that we add a preservative, but we don't want preservative in this our production, so we want it to be as natural as possible. So you can see how beautiful the color has made our scrub look like. So also I host online classes just in case you are interested to learn more about the soap making, the body cream, the hair shampoo, the liquid soap, the powder detergent, the bleach, the Dettol. There's a lot you learn in my online class. You can do well by reaching me on WhatsApp through those information I displayed on the screen, through the phone number and through the link in the video description to join the class. Then also I have ebooks for sale. If you need my ebooks, they are very rich and very informative. If you need this ebook, you can also reach me on WhatsApp to purchase it. My ebooks are very informative. You will not regret purchasing it. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Ebong. I'm a skincare formulator. You just do well by following me so that you'll be updated by my latest videos. You will learn more and you will actually benefit from these skills. You can actually fetch a lot of money from learning these skills. You go take it into a business. I'm actually teaching you how to produce a face and body scrub for business, because I'll be packaging this product once I'm done. So this is actually strictly for business, for those that want to go into the business of face and body scrub. Why I made use of sunflower oil is because sunflower oil can work for the face and for the body. That's why I chose sunflower oil for this project. So don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can check my previous videos. If you want to learn more about skincare formulations, check my previous videos because I make a lot of soap, organic soap, body creams. Check my previous videos. You will learn a lot from watching my videos. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye, and see you all on my next video.